I'm Travis. I'm a Rule 1 coach. I grew up in a small town in Central Oregon. Unfortunately, I lost my mom when I was about 15 years old to cancer. And leading up to that, it really put our family in a lot of financial stress. I remember thinking to myself, I never wanted to be put in that position again. So I went on to college and I studied business and engineering, ultimately got a job at HP. Along that path at HP, I was trying to teach myself how to invest. And in 2014, I read Phil's book. And for the first time, I read a book where somebody told me how to actually value a business. And I was so excited because every other book previous to that, it was a lot of good content, but no one ever told me how to do valuation. So I immediately went and built my own valuation calculator based on Phil's book. And through that process of trying to make sure that I'd actually done it properly, I did a Google search. I found Phil's website and discovered he did live workshops. And what was kind of funny about that is that my wife was on a business trip, and I went ahead and signed us up for the first workshop I could get into, which was, I think it was August 2015. And ultimately she says, okay, yeah, let's sounds good, let's do it. And we both went together, and within the first day, it was pretty obvious this was going to be a life-changing event for us. She gravitated to it instantly. To this day, we still invest together. And that was really the turning point for me. So the Rule 1 methodology is life-changing simply because it's one of those things that anybody's capable of following the blueprint. It's a blueprint that's been developed from Ben Graham, passed down to Warren Buffett, to Phil Town, now to us. And so it's simple, proven, and gives you a set of tools that you can apply. And on top of that, Rule 1 gives you the toolbox, which actually has all the analytical tools and all the information you need to actually make decisions about it, about a company. And then being able to take that and apply it in a workshop is really a complete set of information and education that I don't think you can duplicate anywhere else.